My cellphone is lagging like illegal. My cellphone is What's going on? My cellphone is lagging like illegal. And Miss Niana Guerrero, I will send you a video clip, and the story goes to, and the story is about Kendo and Leon entering the door. Enter the door. When Leon entered the door, someone's targeting him, and Kendo says, "Who are you? What are you doing here?" And Leon says, "Hold your fire, I'm a human." And Kendo says, "Sorry about that. I thought you are one of them. You are one of the zombies." And Leon says, "What's going on in this town?" Hold on. I don't have any clue. But I know there's something wrong. The entire city was infested with zombies. And after a few minutes, the zombies entering through the wall glass. And Kendo panicking, and he says, "Wah, wah, wah." And zombies eaten Kendo alive.